What's up, guys? This is this particular wall plug. This works great for things like charging Bluetooth speakers, charging your portable battery chargers for your phone, really anything that has a USB. Um, the square design is usually what I go for because you don't have that another design where it's like leaning off to the right and it plugs into the right. You want that square, that square which is plugged straight in for convenience purposes and for cord management. This particular one I've had no problems with. It works great for any item that does have a USB that I have to charge. And so I have no, it's not gonna like fall apart on you or anything like that. It's sturdy and it works. So highly recommend it if you're looking for a new power adapter for your phone, Bluetooth, whatever item it is that uses the USB. This works great for it, so highly recommend it.